Hi folks, just me on my own at the minute. We're at the railway station. We're going to do a trip on a steam train to Port Erin, and it's really pretty. I'll just take you down here. I'll show you the map, where we're going from and to. If I can see without my glasses on, that is. Okay. Right. Here we are. Douglas, here. Steam train all the way around here. All the way to here. Through there. And to Port Erin. Gosh, it's like stepping back in time, this. This is the back of the train station. Look at hanging baskets. Say hello, Mike. Hi. Hello, Mike.
Just going up and we'll go put it on the front here.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Oh, it's one already on the front.
Calling at Port Sodrick, Ballasalla, Castletown, Colby, Port St Mary and Port Erin.
Let's go.
Yay!
Port Erin, yeah?
Yeah, we go there, turn on the right.
Oh yeah, that would have been lovely, wouldn't it? Oh, and there's a doggo coming on this as well, look. Should we just get in any? Well, why have they opened the doors here? Is this just to confuse us? Well.
Huh?
Comfy upholstered seats? No, don't.
Sarah likes the upholstered seats. Yeah, Mike?
We're going to be all steamed up.
I know. I was thinking that, don't I?
No, I'm just saying it's because we're wet and it's horrid out there.
It's really horrible out there. Yeah. Cigarettes, Brook Bond tea, Swan Vesta, bloody hell.
Some nice stuff.
Yeah.
Right, chocolate.
Yes. Oh my goodness, yeah. look at those.
So this is the one that it's not one of the over railway.
No, no, this is the one.
Right here.
Hello, duckies. Mike's woke up now,
It's
folks.
lovely on this side.
Mike's been awake all the time, mate. You just didn't know it. You was asleep. But it's very comfortable.
No, never. Smiley faces are not cut out.
This is the one where it took the right attack.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, it's sunny.
Do you remember Portel? Do you watch Portel, yeah, on his train journeys?
Michael Portello.
Have you ever watched Architecture That Made Railways?
No.
Right, it's a program yesterday called Architecture That Made the Railways. Basically, it's like that building that's there. It was
Oh, yes.
It was the station master's house. Right, they were all done of a certain design.
Yeah.
And some of them are fantastic. Of course, it goes on to Paddington Station. Some of the big stations, crews being mentioned in it as well. It's all about the architecture.
Yeah.
So it's inspired by the railways being there.
It's a good job we didn't sit down there in one of those old carriages. Because, yeah, that's where that 4220 is.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah,